Happy birthday, Bessie! Back at it again, kasi LDR tayo. But, do you remember this place? This chair? Yeah, this is where we used to tambay lagi galawans. And, I'm here right now as a PCP, professional crammer pa rin. I'm doing this at the same time while editing yung pinaka-video for you. But anyway, Bessie, my message is this.
Hi! It's your birthday! Whoa, on this day, many, many years ago, the stars aligned. You were thrust into this weird anomaly of an existence, and somehow you transformed from a screaming little baby into the baddest, hottest, most savage, most incredible, most beautiful human to walk the face of this earth. So, I just wanted to pop in and tell you that A, I love you, B, I hope you feel all the love in the entire world today, and C, this year is gonna be your best one yet. Anyway, life would not be the same without you in it, and I'm so glad to be here at the same time as you. I love you so much! Bye!
Okay, I guess tapos na yung message. Sana long enough yun para hindi na ako ulit magkakat. But anyway, Bessie, kahit malayo tayo right now, you're always here in our hearts. So please don't miss us too much. Just go on there, have a blast today, and fight every day. Because if you keep on fighting, you'll keep on getting nearer and nearer to your goals. And I believe in you, and I miss you, and I love you, and I'll see you soonest. Okay? So sabi ni Wana, wala daw siyang video. Sila ni Tony, ang ambag daw nila yung mga anak nila. So, since wala akong anak, it's just me. It's just me. But, yeah. I hope you'll enjoy the rest of this video. And I hope you look forward dun sa last part ng video na to. Okay? And, yeah, that's it, I think, for me. I miss you. Don't forget that I'm always one call away. You can just call me anytime. You can rant, you can chika, you can just whatever. You're me busy. It's natural for you to do that. So yeah, I hope to see you soonest, and when you get here, I'll drive you around. You have dentist pa when you get here. Okay? Goodbye, and have a blast today. Enjoy. I love you, Bessie. Bye.
La 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 la. Oh, it's your birthday. La 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 la. Oh, it's your birthday. La 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 la. Oh, it's your birthday. La 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 la.
Hello! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Miss you! See you sa June.
Miss you!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Andy! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Douglas. I love you. Miss you. See you soon.
Happy birthday.
Take care always, Tita Lex, Mama Chuchu. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Lek. Take care always, anak ko. I love you. Mwah, mwah. Chup, chup. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Come on. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yung like this lang, nakaganto ka lang ang natin. Yung ganong perk lang.
Ikot, ikot. Other side. Pag... Ayan, game.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Word! And then say,
Happy birthday to you, Lex.
Happy birthday, Ate Lex. See you soon and more birthdays ka pa.
Happy birthday, Tita Lex. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Ate Lesh. Ingat. Mahal ka ng ate ko.
You don't get older.
You get better.
Happy birthday, Tita Lesh.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmates. Good morning, everyone. Happy birthday, teacher. Happy birthday to you. Pakigaya sa TikTok. Happy birthday. Sengil 축하합니다. Sengil 축하합니다. 사랑하는 Leshi. Sengil 축하합니다. I love you. I miss you. I hope to see you next year. Before fall, maybe with Tita Banana, or maybe with Mama Course and Mama Opi. Or you can come here on my birthday, October 3rd next year. I'll be turning 60. Your Lola. Miss you. Hope to see you soon. Bye. Love you.
Hi, Les. Happy birthday. Ilang taon na. Here's my wish for you. Maikli pero galing talaga sa puso. Ang wish ko ay ito. Na sana maging maligaya ka anuman ang iyong marating at saan ka man makarating.
Hi, Lex. Happy birthday. I miss you. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana kunin mo na kami dyan. Para makapagsama-sama na tayo dyan. Or dalawin mo naman kami dito. Sabi ni Maya, punta ka raw dito next year. And sana magkalaman ka na. And more birthdays to come. I miss you so much.
Happy birthday, Ate Lek. Enjoy your day po and ingat palagi.
I love you, Long Lex. Happy birthday.
Hi, Lesh. Happy birthday. I hope ma-enjoy mo yung day mo and mag-ingat ka always there. We miss you here and love you always. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday! God bless you. I miss you. I love you. Take care. I'll see you soon.
Birthday, Lek. I love you very, very much.
Happy birthday, ganda! Ingat ka lagi, anak kong. Love na love ka ni tita. Miss na miss pati. O, dapat na nandito na naman kayo nitong darating na Pasko. Kaya lang, nasa malayo ka. Lagi mong alalahanin yung mga pinagsasakripisyo mo, anak kong. Dahil yan sa malabis na pagmamahal. Love you!
Happy birthday, Maria Leslie! Noon na lang ipapakita ko kasi super haggard. More birthdays to come. Ingat ka dyan. Enjoy. And see you soon. Miss you. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hello! Happy birthday!
Andy. Happy birthday.
Miss you. See you
Happy
soon.
Andy, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Leshi! Ingat ka dyan palagi at kumain ng tama sa oras lagi ha, para hindi magkasakit. Bawal magkasakit, tandaan mo yan. Kahit dito sa Pilipinas, bawal magkasakit. Bye-bye! Happy birthday! Miss you!
Say happy birthday to Ninang Lash, Yari! Happy birthday, Ninang Lash! Take care. Love you back. See you soon!
Happy birthday, Lash! I know you miss me. Char! Oh my god. But yeah, I miss you so much. Thank you for being such a great friend all of these years. Like, you've been a constant in my life since the first time we met in the freshman year. And I remember I was not invited, but I remember the video we made for you in freshman year because I was class president. But that's how I met Ate Louie. So yeah, thank you for welcoming me into your family, into your home. Thank you for always inviting me to your birthday. But yeah, I miss you so much. But I know that you're happy there, happier there. But I do hope to see you soon again because...
Hi Lesh, happy birthday! Hope to meet you someday soon, and Riley has told me so many stories about you, so super excited to meet you.
Bye-bye.
Hey Lesh, happy birthday!
Wishing you the best.
And congratulations in advance on your wedding. We wish you all the best. We love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Look at this place.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yes, I love you. Oh, pakak!
Hi Les, happy 29th birthday. Wish ko na sana ay lagi kang nasa mabuting kalagayan. Maging healthy din lagi ang iyong pangangatawan. Mahirap malayo sa pamilya nang dahil sa may gusto tayong abutin sa buhay. At yon ay ang ating mga pangarap. Sana ay di ka na naho-homesick. Matagal na rin kasi just enjoy your day. Sana magkita tayo uli soon. May our Almighty God bless you always. Love you. Happy birthday.
Hello Liz. Happy 59th birthday. I wish you have a good health and more fun and more money. Remember, the Christmas is very near. Don't forget me. Happy birthday.
Ano ba yan pala yung ulit? Take 2. Wait lang, pangit na buhok ko. Ayan. Lala, kita mo yun. Okay na yung smile ko. Gulat ka. I love you. Grabe. Miss na kita. Kailan ba tayong huling nag-usap? Parang ilang oras pa lang. Lala, o diba? Parang at this point, feeling ko ang dami na nagpaiyak sa'yo. Kaya papatawanan kita ngayon. Alam ko, every hour kinikilig ka na sa akin. So, ano naman ako ngayon? Something na papatawa sa'yo. Yan, iba yung personality natin ngayon for today's video. Ayan. Lala, ano ba? Natatawa ako. Baby, Ang masasabi ko lang is, konti na lang makakain na tayo ng rice. Konti na lang, di na tayo magda-diet. Kasi, makikita na tayo soon. Yee, love it na! I love you, love. Can't wait to see you. And hug you. And kiss you. And yee! Lala, sana today na feel mo na maraming nagmamahal sa'yo and maraming andyan para sumuporta sa'yo. Hindi lang ako, hindi na yung mga kaibigan mo, but of course, yung family mo. And sana na-appreciate mo na maraming nag-greet sa'yo today from your friends, my family, and of course, your family din. Grabe, ang dami na nang na-achieve mo in life. Sobrang daming hardships along the way. Pero, grabe, sobrang proud ako sa'yo. Pero, mo yun, nakabili ka ng condo ilang year? 2 years? Going 2 years ka pa lang dyan. Parang, feeling ko kung ako sa sarili ko yan, parang kung nasa posisyon mo ako, hindi ko siya ganong ma-achieve agad. Pero, nagawa mo siya. So, sobrang proud ako sa'yo. And, alam ko, excited din ako sa ma-achieve mo pa in the future, love. Naniniwala ako sa'yo. Isa ako sa mga taong malaki yung tiwala na kaya-kaya mong abutin lahat ng mga, alam mo yan, mga iniisip mo or pangarap mo sa buhay. And excited na ako sa mga pictures na isasend mo sa day ng move-in nila ate. I love you. And sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw na to. Ma-enjoy mo yung company nila Briggs Jerome, nila Ma'am Agnes, Sir Joseph. At alam ko masarap yung food mo dyan kasi lahat ng mga kasama mo sa bahay masarap magluto. And ayan. And don't forget, Christmas is very near. Don't forget me. Straight English. Di mo kinaya, straight English yung tatay ko. And I love you, baby. I can't wait to see you. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you.